All right, hey, thanks for stopping by the channel, and more specifically, thanks for checking out this playlist. Now, before you jump into watching these videos, I want to give you a little bit of context around this playlist. The videos in this playlist were developed to accompany a course that I teach at the University of Cincinnati. And there's an online textbook that provides additional concepts, context, and written material that go along with these videos. Now, you could work through these videos as they are in this playlist, just jumping from one video to the next, and be just fine. However, I'd probably recommend you check out the online textbook here, and you can actually view all the videos through that textbook. The textbook is open source, it's free for anyone. It's going to provide you more context around the different concepts that I mentioned in the videos. And then in the relevant sections, I sprinkle in the videos so you can watch them right there in the textbook. So with that, I hope you enjoy. I hope you get a lot of content out. Please like if you learn something new in these videos. Also, don't forget, I drop new material pretty regularly on the video. So if you want to keep up to date with anything around data science, machine learning, programming tips, automation, machine learning, engineering type of concepts, make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for new content. All right, thanks a lot.